especially to you, ma'am. So in this video presentation, I am going to explain what is microscope and the basic parts of the microscope. So before we jump to the basic parts of the microscope, let us first define what is microscope. So what is microscope? So a microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small and that cannot be seen by our naked eye. So since we understood what is microscope, let us now jump to the basic part of the microscope. So the basic part of microscope that I am going to explain is the eyepiece, the body tube, the objective lenses, the stage clip, the illuminator, and the um, what is called today's fine focus. So let us first define what is this eyepiece. So an eyepiece, these two eyepiece right here, can you see this? These two eyepiece are the optical lenses where we see the final images of the specimen. So meaning, when we put our specimen in this stage with a clip, when we look at it here, we will see clearly the small specimen, no? So second is the body tube. So where is the body tube? The body tube is this one, the body of the eyepiece. So what is the body tube? So the body tube is body tube connects the eyepiece to the objective lenses. So this eyepiece, this is a removable, no? So that's why the function of it connects the eyepiece to the objective lenses. So the third one is the objective lenses. So the objective lenses is these four things. So the objective lenses function, this produce a real image that is seen on the ocular lenses, no? So it is the one who will focus the specimen. So the fourth one we have is the stage clip. So the stage clip is this one. This is the stage and this is the stage clip. So what is the function of a stage clip? A stage clip is responsible for holding the slide in the place. So when we put our specimen here, this clip will hold the specimen. So the fifth one is we have this illuminator or the light source, which is located under the stage clip. So what is the function of this illuminator? So the function of this illuminator, this helps focus on a beam of light through a transparent specimen in order for the specimen to be seen clearly by the illuminator. Then lastly, we have this fine focus. So where is the fine focus? This is the fine focus. Then, what is the function of the fine focus? The function of the fine focus, this is used for precise focusing by moving the stage up and down very slowly and in smaller increments. So, in order for us to see clearly the specimen, we will adjust the fine focus. So, I hope that you have fully understand what I am trying to explain to you, what is the microscope and the basic part of the microscope. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.